Making a little video of the restoration of my 1978 Honda NC50. All my frame and metal parts are all powder coated. Now I'm going through the tedious task of degreasing, removing rust to get ready to black oxide all of my parts. So my first step right here, I'm using degreaser. I'll drop my parts in the degreaser. They come out nice and clean. Not the greatest looking metal, but nice and clean, no grease. What I am using, oil eater cleaner degreaser. Watch out because it will tear up your hands. So after I go through the degreasing, I might have to hit a little with some different wire brushes, even using a wire wheel on a drill. I then go to the vinegar step. White vinegar, some people say use apple cider vinegar. White vinegar actually has a higher acid number, so put them in there. I've gone as long as about 12 hours. You can see this was clean. You can see the rust particles coming off. Once I do that, and also what I've always been doing is putting my bags of what my parts are. I actually count how many pieces, so I know for this front fender I have 13 pieces in there. I know for this intake I have 6 pieces, so when I'm coming out I don't get confused and keep everything intact and knowing where it goes. Then after the white vinegar, I just put it in some clean water that stops the reaction of the white vinegar and the rust. And then the last step, what I do is I go into the vibratory tumbler. This can last from 30 minutes to 12 hours depending on the condition of the metal. What I am using is Walnut Shells coarse. It brings out a nice finish in the metal. And like I said, I'm waiting for my Caswell black oxide treatment. So I'm blacking out every piece of nut bolt metal to match the black powder coating. And that's so far this tedious step. Thank you.